Hello and good evening. I'm Siyanidhi Bhaskar and I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, the September 2021 ACC exam result got declared on this 18th. So for that result, many congratulations to all those who could succeed in that result, who could succeed in that exam. Because now YouTube is also one of my families, just like LinkedIn. I want to share my happiness also with you all. Here is the list of all those students who literally worked hard, who literally succeeded in balancing their work life with their study life and achieved this much of score in their papers. These are all my students whom I have witnessed their struggles, their hard work, their dedication, their zeal to pass, their passion to succeed. And today, I am very proud to announce that they all have literally proved themselves to be real stars. They really are our stars. Their score has actually made my goosebumps. I can see, literally, I can still feel that passion, that when the result was getting announced, one by one, the news which we were receiving, it was just awesome. Many congratulations to all of them. And from my side, many congratulations to all my students also publicly. But yes, if you are the one who could not pass, then it's the time to introspect, the time to think what may have gone wrong. It's just a simple procedure. You first need to understand the reason why your result was not a pass result. Just try to answer some 3-4 questions. One, did you practice the exam kit well? Whether you go ahead with BPP or you go ahead with Kaplan, that's fine. But did you practice the past year questions? They are always there in the exam kit. If 100% wasn't done, then here is a reason for you to improve. Number two, were you not able to manage your work life with your study life? Then here is the key. You need to manage your studies and work well. Reason number three, did you get nervous in the exam? If that's the case, then even if you would have managed your work life well, even if you could have practiced the exam kit well, but if in those 3 hours you get nervous, it's definitely going to destroy the paper. Reason number four, are your concepts clear? If your concepts are clear, then there is nothing to worry. If this quarter it wasn't a pass, next quarter definitely it will be. Reason number five, did you give two papers together which ideally do not gel well? This is also one of the case which many students do incorrect. They take up two papers which do not actually support each other. Two tough papers together should not be attempted. And especially if you are working, then it doesn't make sense at all. So just introspect. Just try to find out the answer. What may have gone wrong? Because until and unless you find out the mistake, how do you correct it? Did you practice the mock test papers? Another question. Practicing mock test papers is fine, but getting it properly evaluated is another thing. Did you really know how to put up the answer for section C questions? Did you really apply the formulas well? Did you really understand the question well? These are some of the things which should be highlighted when you are making your study plan. You need to go very well on that. And here, I'll simply say, if it is not a pass this quarter, that's fine. It doesn't prove that you are not intelligent. Sometimes it's just a phase of time. If this quarter it's not like what you wanted, next quarter definitely it will be. but you need to work on something which is really required, where you are lagging. So first try to find out where you are lagging and then make a plan how to hold it well in the next attempt and rock it. Do not just get scared of your result. Failures are a part of life. Carry those guts that you can handle failure also with all courage required. This is a professional exam. This can happen with anyone. And the best part is, which I would like to highlight here, about PM, especially about PM. People say that PM is very hard to crack. I'll show you one thing here. Just a second. I'll show you one thing here. Just see this. This is, I'm showing you is ACCAglobal.com, the official website of ACCA. And these are the pass percentages of PM. In September 2021, the pass percentage was just 37%. The numbers which you can see on the screen, lowest of all these, 37%. People will actually scare you that PM is a paper which is not very easy to crack. But we witnessed that 8 of our students appeared and 6 passed. Not that they were very dedicated or I taught them in a very different way. No. The whole idea is if you understand the concepts, you pass. Even if the pass result is 30% or 37% or 44%, so you need to make yourself believe that way. If you are understanding the concept, definitely you will be in the pass percentage. Even if the pass percentage goes very down, very low. So don't fall in that trap. Maybe your friends, maybe your colleagues can come up and scare you out on that it's a very tough paper. You do not pass easily on this. But our students have passed just by making them believe that this is a paper which wants your application of concepts. This is a paper which wants your application of mind. You cannot mug up PM. And that's the only thing which you need to take care of. So don't get scared with this paper. Don't fall in this trap. If 37% students can do it, you can also do it. You understand this meaning of 37%, right? That out of 100, 37 students pass the exams. Out of every 100, 37 students have passed this exam. It's a big ratio. So don't get scared on that. It's manageable if you believe it's manageable. And the moment you make yourself believe that it is tough, then it really becomes tough. The whole idea behind telling you this was simply this thing, that do not get scared. Whatever the result is, 37% if somebody is passing, you can also be in those 37%. Just keep courage. Just believe in one thing, you have to keep your concepts in place. That's it. Again, I'll congratulate everyone who could clear the exam. And I'll say, don't let yourself down, even if you could not clear. You are equally intelligent than those who have passed. Your life success doesn't change with just one result. So don't get upset. Try to find out what are the points which you need to improve upon and then start working. Definitely in December, you will be through and through. Right? I hope my video could help you out in at least gearing up, and if you have passed, then at least making yourself feel special. I'll come up with more videos. We'll catch up very shortly next week. Till the time, keep on enjoying, keep on studying. Thank you so much and good night. Take care.